But before we go into that, let's respond directly to the prosecution. Regarding the case of Operation Dudula in Exhibit A, the defense argues that a court judgment against Operation Dudula, one organization, cannot automatically be applied to every activist movement or political organization. Regarding Exhibit B and the healthcare blockades and the death of the Malawian infant, the defense notes that allegations remain subject to legal processes and have not yet produced final findings against all accused parties. Regarding Jacinta Ngovese's case, the defense reminds the court that an investigation is not a conviction and that the presumption of innocence remains a cornerstone of constitutional democracy. Shuguti, I'm not guilty until proven guilty. Regarding the Mossel Bay deaths, the defense argues that the prosecution has not demonstrated direct orders, operational control, or planning linking the accused to the perpetrators. Criminals are criminals, and we have consistently revoked and rebuked any association to criminality. Regarding the June 30th campaign, the defense argues that citizens possess a constitutional right to advocate for stricter immigration policies, provided such advocacy does not cross into unlawful incitement. Finally, the defense does not argue that immigrants have not suffered harm, nor does it argue that every action undertaken by anti-immigration activists has been lawful. Instead, it argues that the prosecution has focused primarily on the symptoms of the crisis while overlooking its causes. Those causes, again, are government failure, corruption, weak enforcement, administrative dysfunction, and poor migration management. The defense therefore submits that while individuals must be held accountable for unlawful conduct, responsibility for South Africa's migration crisis cannot be placed solely upon activists or frustrated communities. The state itself must answer for the conditions that allowed this crisis to emerge. That is the defense's case.